path cuts off in different directions.
Either of those caverns could stretch for miles. Perhaps we should split up.
Very well. Be careful, young one. There's no telling what ancient creatures lie within the mountain's depths.
I will, Cairn. Good luck. Lokrigar Nogal. None will survive.
What, you big raven?
The spirits are restless. I am the War Chief. Ndabu. Loknarosh! For Doomhammer! How can I help? Let's get on with it. Your time has come. Inventory is full. For honor. Yes. Inventory is full. Yes. For honor. Ndabu.
Right the way.
Say the word. Not try. Lokrigar Nogal. For honor. Let's get on with it. Ndabu. Yes?
I hear the summons.
The spirits are restless. I am the War Chief. None will survive. I am the War Chief. The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it. Yes, Regard. Yes. For honor. Let's get on with it. Yes. Ndabu. Ndabu, direct me. The spirits are restless. Slow move. No stop. Lokrigar Nogal. I am the War Chief. Master?
How may I serve?
The spirits are restless. For honor. Yes. Ndabu. For honor. Yes. I am the War Chief. For honor. Ndabu. Yes. Let's get on with it. Need something? Lokrigar Nogal. Your time has come. Lokrigar Nogal. The spirits are restless. Loknarosh! Yes. Ndabu. For honor. Ndabu. Yes.
You seek me help?
I am the War Chief. For honor. Yes. For honor. Let's get on with it. Dabu. For honor. Dabu. I am the war chief. Lokrika Noka. Yes? Zog. Let's get on with it.
You seek me help?
The spirits are restless. Yes. Dabu.
What you be craving?
Lokrika Noka. I am the war chief. Huh? The spirits are restless. Yes. For honor. For honor. Yes. Let's get on with it. Yes. Dabu. I am the war chief. For honor. Dabu. Yes, chieftain. Let's get on with it. The spirits are restless. Say the word. Master. Dabu. So let's get on with it. Yes. Regard. For doom hammer. Dabu. The spirits are restless. Direct me. I am the war chief. Understood. Lokriga Nokal. Yes, Lord. Need something. Let's get on with it. For honor. Dabu. Your time has come. Lokdarum. I am the war chief. The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it. Yes. For honor. Dabu. Yes. The spirits are restless. None will survive. Dabu. Yes. I am the war chief. For honor. Yes. For honor. Dabu. For honor.
How may I serve?
Lokriga Nokan. Dabu. Yes. Dabu. Yes. Lokriga Nokal. For honor. For honor. Yes.
I am Ajun, ancient princess of the Moon Children. None may pass until my heart is returned to me.
The statue's magic has created an impassable barrier. I wonder what it means by its heart.
Are restless.
Orcs, arm yourselves!
For honor. Dabu. Your time has come. Yes.
You seek me help?
I am the war chief. Lokriga Nokal. None will survive.
What you want me to? Anything you want.
The spirits are restless.
Dabu. Yes. I am the war chief. For honor, Master. Let's get on with it. I am the war chief. For honor.
For Doomhammer!
The spirits are restless.
What you want me to go?
Lokrigar
Yes.
Nokal. Dabu. Let's get on with it.
Look, Naros! None will survive.
Yes. That's strange. I don't recall seeing any sheep in this land.
He's fairly bright for an orc.
Get on with it.
It's a trap! Defend yourselves! Lokrigar! Lokrigar Nokal.
The spirits are restless. Yes. Dabu.
Your time has come. For honor. For Doomhammer! How can I help?
What you want?
I am the war chief. Your time has come.
Let's get on with it. Yes.
Yes?
What you be craving?
The spirits are restless. Yes. Dabu.
Those harpies have nearly killed that wretched creature. It looks as if they're after its treasure. Kill them all, and we'll take what's left for ourselves. For honor. Look, Naros! For Doomhammer! None will survive.
I hear the summons.
Lokrigar Nokal.
Let's get on. The great beast was protecting a magical amulet. I'd better hold on to this. Dabu. Yes. Let's get on with it.
How may I serve?
Lokrigar Nokal. For honor. Yes, War Chief. I am the War Chief.
Here is your heart, Ajun.
Now, grant us passage to the Oracle.
Dabu. Dabu. Apparently this is some kind of spectral bridge. But the enchanted gemstone that powers it is missing. With any luck, Cairn will find it for us.
My old bones ache.
How can I help?
The spirits are restless.
The Earth Mother is near. Ishnu Pora.
For the tribes!
Gladly.
Let's get on with it.
We're under attack!
The storm is coming.
Lokrigar
Take heart,
Nokal.
young one. Take heart, young one. The storm is coming.
Bring it on!
My old bones ache.
Stand and fight!
Neashush, amen.
I am the war chief.
The Earth Mother is near. Neashush,
Let's get the hell out of here!
No, not that way.
Ishnupura.
I've had it with skulking in these caves.
Precisely. The Earth Mother is near. My old bones. Take heart, young one. For honor. Ishnupura. The storm is coming. Neashush, amen. Gladly. My old bones ache. The Earth Mother is near. Neashush, amen. Precisely. Ishnupura. Gladly. His spiked pit is filled with quill wars. It looks as if they're protecting some kind of gemstone. Take heart, young one. Ishnupura. Gladly. Neashush, amen. Precisely. Gladly. Precisely. The storms. This must activate the trap mechanism. The Earth Mother is near. Ishnupura. Precisely. Gladly. My old bones ache. Neashush, amen. Ishnupura. Neashush, amen. Ishnupura. Take heart, young one. The storm is coming. Precisely. Gladly. Gladly. Precisely.
I am able to help. Immediately. Bring it on.
The storm is coming.
Bring it on. Well done. Immediately.
The streets are young one. Ishnupura. Neashush, amen. Gladly. My old bones ache.
Attack!
The Earth Mother is near.
Down to the enemies of the Horde! Oh now! For the tribes!
The Earth Mother is near.
Attack! I am able to help. Bring it on!
Take heart, young one.
Oh now! I am able to help.
The storm is coming.
Bring it on!
The storm is coming.
Oh now! Well done. Well done. Immediately.
My old bones ache. Ishnupura. Take heart, young one.
I am able to help.
Earth Mother is near.
Oh now!
Take heart, young one.
I am
The storm is coming.
Bring it on!
The Earth Mother is near. Neashush, amen. Precisely. Ishnu Pora.
I am able to help.
My old bones
Oh, no.
ache. Precisely. Neashush, amen. Gladly. Ishnu Pora. Neashush, amen. Take heart, young one. Gladly. The gemstone has an inscription on its base. Ah. This is the spirit stone of Stone Talon Chasm. If the legends are true, then this will activate the spirit bridge that leads to the Oracle. The Earth Mother is near.
Oh no! I am able to help.
Take heart, young one. Precisely. The storm is coming. Neashush, amen. Gladly. Ishnu Pora. Earth Mother is near. Stand and fight! My old bones ache.
I am able to help.
The Earth Mother is near. Take heart, young one. Neashush, amen. Ishnu Pora. The statues are coming to life. Defend yourselves. Ishneolo Pora. Precisely. Gladly. For honor. Attack! Ishnu Pora. Gladly. The storm is coming. My old bones ache. Stand and fight! The Earth Mother is near. Take heart, young one. Neashush, amen. Precisely. Neashush, amen. Ah, the Spirit's Bridge. Just as the legends described it. Now, young war chief, the path to the Oracle is revealed. Gladly. Ishnu Pora. Precisely. Neashush, amen. Ishnu Pora. Precisely. Gladly. Gladly.
Lokrigar Nogal. The spirits.
Orcs. I knew that we were being followed. Defend yourselves!
Stop! There will be no violence in this place.
That voice. You're no oracle. You're the prophet.
Very perceptive, son of Durotan. I am the prophet. And now that I've lured you all here, I will tell you what destiny holds.
What the hell is going on here?
Thrall, this is Jaina Proudmoore, leader of the survivors of Lordaeron.
Survivors? What are you talking about?
The invasion of the Burning Legion has begun. Lordaeron has already fallen, and now the demons come to invade Kalimdor. Only together, united against the Shadow, will you be able to save this world from the flame.
Unite with them? Are you mad?
Have you heard nothing that I've said? The Legion comes to undo history and end all life. Thrall, your friend Hellscream has already fallen under the demon's influence. Soon he and your whole race will be lost forever.
No. I'll die before I let that happen.
Then you must rescue him immediately. He is the key to the destiny I promised you. However, you will need help.
Wait, this is insane. You can't possibly expect me to...
Destiny is at hand, young sorceress. The time to choose has come. For the fate of all who live, humanity must join forces with the Horde.